Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell and Back on guitar. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. These are common open chords, perfect for beginners. Focus on clear finger placement for each one. Practice switching between them slowly, ensuring every note rings out cleanly. Getting these chords down is your first big step. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. For Hell and Back, a simple down-down up-up down pattern works perfectly. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and fluid. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm, so practice with a consistent tempo. This pattern will give the song its signature feel and drive. Don't rush, focus on accuracy first. Now let's put the chords into their progression. The song primarily uses a repeating sequence of E minor, C major, G major, and D major. Practice this sequence repeatedly. Using a metronome is highly recommended to develop precise timing. Begin at a slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you feel more comfortable. Consistency is crucial here. Finally, it's time to combine everything you've learned. Play the chord progression with the strumming pattern, aiming for smooth transitions. Listen to the original song by Bakar to get a feel for the timing and dynamics. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they're part of learning. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing Hell and Back with confidence and enjoyment. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.